Your faith has to be based on deep roots. Well, this picture was taken in San Diego in front of a engagement ring shop. Now, a marriage is not based upon an engagement ring. It's based upon the love that we have for each other. And if your spirituality is not based on the grace that comes from Jesus Christ, is not standing on a firm foundation. Now it tells us in John 1:14 that Jesus came full of grace and truth. And the truth that we understand about God's grace comes from the Bible. And the Bible doesn't give us a message of works, but it gives us a message of grace that only comes from Jesus Christ. And that has to be our firm foundation. Our faith has to be deeply rooted in that. Because the Bible tells us in Romans 11 verse 6 that if grace was works, it wouldn't be grace. Grace is a free gift, and it's very hard for some of us to understand because we have such a work-based mentality, and it gets us all messed up and takes us into a whole bunch of different places, and that's where pride starts to take over and just mess with our minds, our hearts, and our attitudes. And in the book of Timothy, he was encouraged many things. But this one thing stands out: to be strong in the grace that is in Christ Jesus. And there are many things that we need to do as Christians, and there's many practicals in the steps that we're taking. But to be deeply rooted in God's grace is one of the biggest things that we can take on. So I want to end this video just telling you that it's not completely done, and that's what Jesus Christ says in our lives. He says, you know what, you're not completely done. You don't have to be perfect. And it's hard for me to deal with that, but I'm going to send this video off not completely edited, just like I said from the beginning. God's grace is sufficient in my weakness, because I don't want my light to shine. I want His light to shine through me. Because this little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. And I want that shining to be fully 100% through the grace that God has given me. Because my works are nothing compared to the work that God has done in my life. Amazing grace that saved a wretch like me.